Cord to me is the greatest tool in my toolkit. It should be the first tool within your armory when you're looking to fill tough roles. When we're needing to align our hires towards our strategic initiatives, our goals as a business, and where we're trying to go on our journey, it's really critical that we can secure great talent, but sometimes great talent with really nuanced skill sets. There were some fairly significant hiring challenges because we were a scaling technology company without a dedicated TA function. We were operating with a time to hire that was more in the months than weeks. Cost was a massive challenge for us because we were leveraging primarily agency partners. I remember sitting back a few weeks after we'd started the process and we'd actually at that point had offered out 2 roles through Cord. I remember just thinking, wow, there's no need for any anxiety, right? Or any thinking of, how are we going to do this? How are we going to fill these really tricky roles? Because we had Cord and Cord really delivered for us. Since adopting Cord, we've made 9 direct hires. Time to hire prior to leveraging Cord was in the matter of somewhere between 50 to 60 days, I believe, within Cord. Now, our time to hire in 2025 sat at just over 19 days across circa 9 hires. With the Cord platform, our cost per hire is just shy of £2,000 per hire. When we take that and apply against our cost per hire using agency partners and other tooling, we're experiencing savings of roughly about £90,000 across those hires. As we've navigated a period of growth and scaling at Vocovo, but we're also constantly looking to raise the bar in terms of the great people that we're bringing on board and into our journey. Cord's been a really, really useful tool for us and really powerful to that journey of not only securing great people to join Vocovo as we scale, but also securing people that we're really confident are going to, transform into the future leaders of our business. One example being our software architect. It's one of our really big success stories. There was a few elements to the role that made it a bit of a unicorn hire, to be honest. We were really struggling to generate high quality pipeline for that role through outbound kind of LinkedIn searches, job boards, applications. Within spending a few hours on Cord and really diving deep in leveraging all the tools, we identified a candidate who came back to us within a matter of hours. We actually then moved for a really quick, seamless process with this candidate who has actually now progressed within the business at Vocovo to a head of position and is one of our key technical leaders, kind of influencing and shaping our technical strategy. What you can be sure of within Cord is that you're starting from a position where you are really tapping into what I would say is the top 5 or 10% of the market. The ability to really access high quality vetted candidate pools at scale, at pace, makes it the most valuable tool that I have access to.